I'm going to show you how to replace toner cartridges in a Maxify Canon MB2140. So what you do, because it's asking for the Cyan, you open it here like this. Once you open, it moves. So it's gonna move to this side and it stops here. So once it stops, because I bought these, so I'm looking for Cyan. Cyan is here. So everything is like you have to be sure. C means Cyan, then no, it doesn't mean Cyan, that one. Black cartridge, it says Cyan cartridge, you can see this one. So I'm gonna put in this. Okay, so something simple, we're gonna make something simple. Okay. So once we're done with that, what we do, we can go down here. So Cyan, where is Cyan? This is Cyan. So we press here. Once we press, it comes out. Once it comes out, then look how it came. Then you put it in like that. You can press it in like this. Once it's done, then what you do, you close. Say okay. Oh, still says printer error has occurred. Follow the steps. Say okay, support code 5105. Okay, that's something different, so we're gonna look into that. Okay, thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next video. So this is the error which I don't understand, which I'm going to see if I can look into that. Maybe it wants also to restart the computer, the machine, something like that. So let me restart it. I see. So if this is the toner I took out, it was a little bit it was empty, nothing is there. Okay.